Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, May 21st, and today is National Eat More Fruits and Vegetables Day. Three big things coming at you. Counselors Connect series says, tell someone how much they mean to you, how much you love them. Tell them I love you.
I love you.
There you go. That's for our daily actions of happiness. Also, this is the last week to buy a yearbook. Don't send out the Google Docs. Note, if you are a senior, don't buy a yearbook. That's right. Do not buy a yearbook. You don't need to. More on that. Junior Achievement Success videos are also on the Counselors Connect series from Bryan and Stratton College. Mr. E has put those together. Check those out. And lastly, happy birthday goes out to Mark Patton. 18 years old. Got a lot of senior birthdays here in May. Hopefully you enjoy, we're past the Wednesday point, just a little bit on the downside of the week. Keep working hard. Have a great Thursday, Rax.